Chapter 9. I'm not laughing at we pull into the student parking lot. Instead, my heart's hammering inside my chest, and I'm desperate to go home. I know I'm being irrational. Still, I'm having a complete panic attack. There are already swarms of people at school. Fiona and I had planned to arrive before 7:30, but it's already 7:40. Everything takes longer with only one leg. Everything. It'll be okay, Fiona says as she pulls up the parking brake. Give me a minute. I'll be around with your throne. I'm breaking out in a cold sweat. We've only got 10 minutes to get to class. Maybe we should. We'll be fine, she calls as she zips around to the hatchback. She pulls out the collapsed wheelchair and says over the back seat, Jessica, really, this is the best thing you could be doing. You'll see, it'll be fine. I manage to hobble out of the car as she opens up the chair and wheels it over to the passenger door. There we go, she says, and I sit. I'm not used to the wheelchair. It seems too small and too big, too precious and too safe, all at the same time. My left leg feels cramped by the footrest. My right leg feels lost at sea. The jeans leg is pinned up and I suddenly want it down. Maybe I won't look like such a pathetic freak. I undo the safety pins while Fiona gets our backpacks. Ready, Your Majesty, she asks, and when I nod, she straps on her backpack and rests mine in my lap. Then let's roll. The pant leg flaps as she hurried me toward the school entrance. Flap, flap, flap. It bothers me, flusters me, then totally freaks me out. Stop, I cry. She keeps pushing as she asks, What's wrong? Stop! She does stop and comes around to face me. We're almost there, she says softly. It'll be alright. I promise you it'll be alright. I manage to choke out. My pant leg is driving me crazy. She watches me pin it back up and then asks, You okay now? I nod, but I'm not okay. I'm anything but okay. I know it's not my fault. I know I haven't done anything wrong. I know it's irrational, but still I'm mortified to be me.